Welcome to this week's assembly, everyone. Something kind of weird happened when I was making this St. Patrick's Day edition. Anyway, maybe you won't notice it, but there's something weird that keeps happening. So there it was again. Anyway, I don't know what to do to get those out of the video, so it just is what it is. I'm super sorry, but hope that you enjoy this week's video. All right, you guys.
Good morning and welcome to another book talk. Today we're going to be talking about graphic novels. The first one is Smile by Raina Telgemeier, and this is a true story of her experience with braces. I would say it's probably for middle school, maybe fifth grade too. It talks about relationships and the struggle she had with her own braces and how she found friends in that. It's really, really good. She also has, we also have another few books of hers in the library, Ghosts, Guts, Sisters, and so if you'd like to check these out, please email me and I will get those to you. Next one is Wings of Fire by Tutu Sutherland, illustrated by Mike Holmes. And this is book 2. If you remember a few weeks ago, I shared with you a series, Wings of Fire. Oh, there we go. And these are excellent books. I really like these. This is a little bit different version of it. It has beautiful illustrations. As you can see here, this is the story about Tsunami and how she took her dragon friends to her kingdom and what she discovered there. So, hope you read that too. If you like any of these two books at the school, they're both at the school library, and I'd be happy to get them to you. You just need to email me. Alrighty. Until then, happy reading.
Mr. Don, what is the best thing about working at Core School School? I just have to say how beautiful it is up here, and it's close to home. I'm not always mean. I'm a happy guy. I just don't always smile. Smile. And what do I like to do when I'm not at school? I like to work in my woodworking shop and make things. So.
Congratulations to this week's postcard winners. We've got them here in the bin as we normally do. We'll shake them up. And this week's winner is... Oop, I'm missing some in my shuffle. Lillian. So, Lillian, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize. All right, well, that's all that we have for... Stop it! I don't know what to do about that guy. Hey! So anyway, all right, so I think we got rid of the leprechaun guy. Hope you guys have a great St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you next week. Okay, bye.